Pagkatapos wasakin ni former 3 World Division Champion John Riel Casimero sina Jose Pets ng bansang Mexico Kenya Yamashita ng bansang Japan at Ricardo Espinoza. Ay agad naman naikasa ang susunod na laban nito kontra Cesar Ramirez, isang 4 years undefeated. Lahat ng naging laban nito ay puro knockout ang sinapit sa mga kamay niya. Sa makatuwid si Ramirez ay may mataas na knockout percentage at kayang-kayang nito makipagsabayan kung lakas lang ang pag-uusapan. Bago ang laban ay sinabi ni Ramirez sa kanyang interview na hindi magugustuhan ng mga Filipino fans ang gagawin niya sa kalaban niya na si Teodoro Alas John Riel Casimero.
Knockout.
That don't need interpretation.
Sa face-off pa lang ay kitang-kita na dito ang lamang ni Ramirez pagdating sa haba ng kamao at tindig. Kitang-kita din dito na talagang kumpiyansa siya sa kanyang sarili at hindi nakikitaan ng pagkatakot sa ating pambato na si John Riel Casimero. Kitang-kita din dito na talagang suportado pa noon ni former 8 World Division Champion Manny Pacquiao at Chavit Singson. Sa pag-uumpisa ng unang round ay tila gutom na gutom ang ating pambato na si John Riel Casimero na tila gustong-gusto na agad tapusin ang laban.
A very wily, long-limbed fighter.
Yes,
Certainly.
You can see Ramirez, they're using his height advantage there with the jab early on. But Casimero wanting to let his come down, challenge Casimero here in the 180
He's moving in, looking.
of this first round.
But right now, missing with a shot. He looks very tentative at this stage.
Yes.
We're talking of Ramirez.
Oh yeah, very tentative Ramirez. Looking, as we hear.
Sa pangalawang round ay ginamit na ni Ramirez ang kanyang height advantage laban kay John Riel Casimero, kaya nakakalusot ang iilan niyang mga solidong suntok sa ating pambato.
To be regular.
The tempo of Casimero.
I think Casimero was formerly the light flyweight title from 2012 to 2014 type of fighter.
Now, one thing about Ramirez is that he actually went to the 12th round before he scored a knockout. And then his distance. He's a survivor.
Missing on the right.
Sa round 3 ay hangad na ng ating pambato na si John Riel Casimero na tapusin na ang laban.
A major role in making this promotion happen.
Yes.
MP Promotions head Sean Gibbons.
Ngunit talagang malakas itong si Ramirez dahil nakikipagsabayan ito, at nakakapuntos pa ito sa pamamagitan ng mga counter-punches laban kay John Riel Casimero.
To win impressively in front of his countrymen.
Now he's measuring his opponent. He's moving in, but he's got to be careful. Ramirez looking to counter.
Ngunit talagang mabilis ang counter ng ating pambato at nagkama ng usang solidong suntok kay Ramirez na naging dahilan ng kanyang pagbagsak sa puntong ito ay rinig na rinig ang malalakas na sigawan ng mga manunood.
Quick movements there from Casimero.
Come in. So when he does, he's going to be prepared to throw. Can't just be one shot. It just can't be the right hand. That time a nice left hand.
That was
Putting him down on the canvas for the first knockdown in the fight.
beautiful variation from the Filipino, Casimero.
And you also like the patience here of Casimero. He's not
Doesn't
He's
seem
not
to be
getting careless. He's got a knockdown here, but he's not rushing things. He's looking for the right opening, the right opportunity.
focused and really waiting for the right.
Sa round 4 ay tila nakabawi dito si Ramirez kay John Riel Casimero dahil maingat na ito at pumapasok ang paunti-unti niyang mga suntok.
More offense-minded. Some rhythm here. He's boxing Casimero, not box. He wants to throw the big hands.
Mexican corner cheering him on. You want to get back in this round after suffering a knock. All back in Mexico. Says they're his biggest inspiration as he tries to land some shots here.
Not too much activity on the part of
Yeah.
Casimero in this round.
Yeah, surprising.
Looks like he's
you know?
pacing himself.
Yeah.
We're in for the long haul. You know that Casimero, Ricardo Espinosa, to win the inter. Fighters seem to be just pawing at each.
Mero now with 25 seconds left in this round.
Well, you know, this
Yeah,
round is up for
counter from
grabs.
Ramirez. Yep.
Whoever is able to
Oh,
throw more punches
Ramirez
here towards
scores
the
the
end
right.
can get this round.
10 seconds.
Actually, this is a good round for Ramirez.
Yes.
I will give him this round. Mexican bouncing back from a knockdown in the previous round.
Sa round 5 ay inakala ng referee na tinamaan ni Casimero si Ramirez dahil aksidente itong nadulas, kaya banilangan niya ito.
Round number 4. Now in round... Number 5, there's a slip. There's a slip.
Dahil sa bilang na ginawa ng referee ay uminit si Ramirez at binigyan si Casimero ng isang solidong suntok at naging agresibo din ito.
There
That's a big
from
one. That's a big punch.
Here, another right. Nice, wow, solid right for the Mexican.
But that got Casimero's attention.
Yep. This is getting interesting, Canito.
And both fighters now throwing bombs.
Whoa.
This is the kind of action the fans came here to see. Now combinations coming from Ramirez.
He's gonna want to get back. There, Ramirez gets through. Casimero backing up.
Now you see the height difference between the
Yes.
two. Ramirez showing a little more. There he is throwing his left and right. Casimero's holding on.
Ooh, Casimero with his back against the ropes gets out.
Sa round 6 ay bumawi naman si John Riel Casimero, at si Ramirez ay nakikipagsabayan din ng lakas sa lakas kay John Riel Casimero.
I thought towards the end of round number 5,
There's a solid left from Casimero. He tries to follow it up.
Casimero that time was able to use his reach to tag Casimero. So Casimero has to. Nice shot to the body there by Casimero from short distance.
Isang napakalakas na right punch ang tumama kay Casimero na nagpayanig sa utak nito.
That time he
Oh,
had his
another
distance.
right. Oh, Ramirez now pouring it on.
Big round here for Ramirez. Casimero forced to hold on.
Yeah, you can see he's feeling these punches and whoa. Mexican corner getting really excited. Another strong right from the Mexican. He's pouring it on, Canita, right here.
A big round here for Ramirez. That time Casimero throwing the right hand.
Crowd loving the action.
And this fight is not going to go the distance.
No,
Nice
both.
shot. Casimero.
Sa round 7 ay bumawi din ng solidong suntok si Casimero na nagpayanig din kay Ramirez.
He's been down twice.
Wow!
Points.
Wow!
Here we go.
That was a solid right from Casimero. And Ramirez.
Dahil dito ay hindi na nag-aksaya pa ng pagkakataon si Casimero, pinaulanan niya ng mga solidong suntok dahilan ng pagkahilo ni Ramirez dito.
He's having difficulty breathing because of the.
Oh, another solid right from
Here we go.
Casimero.
And he's down.
Oh.
He's down.
Binilangan ito ng referee. Sa puntong ito, ay dito mo talaga kabibiliban ng mga Meksikano pagdating sa pakikipaglaban. Nagawa pang ituloy ni Ramirez ang laban. Ngunit sa pagkakataong ito, ay nais nang tapusin ni Casimero ang sagupaan. Subalit, bagamat hingal na hingal at iniinda pa ang pinsalang tinamo, ay nagawa pa ring makipagsabayan ni Ramirez ng kamao sa kamao kay Casimero.
Future corner. Referee didn't see it. Another big punch coming from Casimero. There's blood.
Oh man, this is all heart now for
Yeah.
the Mexican. Oh! Another, oh boy!
One more big punch, and this could be it.
Sa round 8, bagamat malaki ang pinsala na natamo ni Ramirez sa round 7 ay talagang matibay pa rin si Ramirez, at nagawa pa itong makatama ng soildong suntok kay Casimero.
Casimero is moving in. But he can't get careless. Casimero has a tendency to open up. Once he
Left and right combo from Casimero to the body. It's Ramirez coming forward. You see the legs of Ramirez are very slim, especially to signal to Casimero that he's still in this fight.
for good in the previous round. But he wants to make sure that he's got gas in his tank. We are scheduled for 12. We are
To let out those punches and boxing. That was a solid right from
right hand. And Casimero.
answers back. Beautiful upstairs hitting from the Filipino. Getting a lot of adrenaline.
Sa round siyam na ay kitang-kita na dito ang pagod at pagkahingal ng ating pambato na si Jonriel Casimero. At nasa delikadong round si Jonriel Casimero dahil gusto na ni Ramirez tapusin ito.
So Casimero way ahead on points at this stage with 3 knockdowns scored in 3 different rounds.
Round 9.
Ramirez is showing he still got it. He still has some stuff left
Tremendous durability.
from the nose and from the mouth, but he's still standing up. He
Now Ramirez
Oh, nice
connecting with the left and the uppercut.
Sa round 10 ay gustong-gusto na ng bawat isa ang tapusin na ang laban kay puro solidong mga suntok ang kanilang pinakakawalan. Hang sa masapol ng ating pambato na si Casimero ang panga ni Ramirez sa sobrang lakas ng suntok ng ating pambato ay kitang-kita na pati mouthpiece nito ay humiwalay sa lakas ng suntok ng ating pambato na naging dahilan ng pagkatalo ni Ramirez.
But he's fighting back.
when he's taking those shots to the
Oh, wow.
midsection, he to the body.
But make no mistake about it. Oh! Mistake about it. Oh, down! It's down! It's down! And I think it's out!
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Winsworld TV. So matapos nga ng masakit na pagkatalo na natamo ni YouTuber boxer Jake Paul by a knockout sa mga kamay ni former Unified Heavyweight Champion Anthony Joshua ay talagang grabe ang sinapit dito ni Jake Paul. Bukod sa nabali ang panga nito ay hirap na din siyang makakain dahil nahirapan ibuka ang mga panga nito. Kaya pinayuhan ito ng doktor na matatagalan pa siya bago makabalik sa pagboboxing at pwede rin na hindi na siya makabalik sa larangan na ito. The doctor reveals that Jake Paul may never be in a professional boxing ring again. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa inyong panunood. This is Winsworld TV. Saying peace, love and good vibes lang tayo lagi, okay, alright.